You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this village in Florida. If you want to learn more confusing names from Florida that many get wrong, stay tuned. Yes, it is from Spanish Islamorada. Islamorada. Therefore, if it was Spanish, pronounced the Spanish way, it should be pronounced Islamorada or Islamorada. But in Florida, it is normally pronounced a more local English way, pronounced as Isla with a silent S, Islamorada with a stress on the ra syllable. Islamorada, Florida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.